Welcome to Mega Auto World, where we bring you the most luxurious, powerful, and futuristic machines on the planet. And today we are diving into one of the most elite SUVs ever created, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach S 680 SUV, a vehicle that redefines what true automotive luxury really means. From the moment you lay eyes on this masterpiece, you know it is not just another SUV, it is a statement of power, elegance, and absolute prestige. The massive Maybach exclusive grille with vertical chrome slats gives it a royal presence, while the sleek LED lighting and sculpted body lines add a modern and aggressive edge that sets it apart from everything else on the road. Under the hood, the Maybach S 680 SUV is powered by a handcrafted 6.0-liter V12 engine that delivers breathtaking performance while remaining incredibly smooth and silent. With over 600 horsepower at your command, this luxury SUV accelerates effortlessly, gliding forward like a private jet on wheels. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures perfect grip in all conditions, whether you are cruising through city streets or conquering long highways. And thanks to Mercedes' air suspension and Maybach-tuned ride comfort, you will barely feel the road beneath you, making every journey feel like you are floating on air. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you into a world of pure opulence. The interior of the 2026 Maybach S 680 SUV is crafted with the finest leather, real wood trims, brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting that creates a calming and luxurious atmosphere. The rear seats are the real highlight, designed for VIP-level comfort with executive lounge seating, massage functions, heating, ventilation, and even leg rests. You don't just sit in this SUV, you relax in it. The panoramic roof, soft close doors, and ultra-quiet cabin insulation make every ride peaceful and exclusive. Technology in this SUV is equally impressive. The massive digital displays, powered by the latest MBUX system, give you full control of navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings with simple voice commands or touch. Rear passengers enjoy their own screens, premium sound system, and personalized climate control, turning the back seat into a private luxury lounge. Safety is also taken to the highest level, with advanced driver assistance systems that help keep you protected at all times, from adaptive cruise control to intelligent braking and lane-keeping technology. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach S 680 SUV is not built for ordinary drivers, it is built for those who demand the best in life. Whether you are being chauffeured or driving yourself, this SUV delivers unmatched comfort, performance, and prestige. It is not just a vehicle, it is an experience, a symbol of success, and a rolling masterpiece of engineering and design. If you are looking for the ultimate luxury SUV that combines power, beauty, and innovation, the Maybach S 680 SUV stands proudly at the top of the automotive world. And for more incredible cars like this, make sure you stay tuned right here on Mega Auto World.